Using an ad tracker is key to the affiliate marketer. There's a lot of money in affiliate marketing. This is true, however, only to those who are seriously and zealously working on his affiliate program. Success in affiliate marketing varies in every individual affiliate, and for the most part, it depends on his will and perseverance. No matter how good an affiliate program is, it will not prosper if the affiliate marketer does not pay the price of hard work. One must exert extra effort, especially on the aspect of promotion. Nothing will happen if the links or banners would just lie idle in a web page. An affiliate must be able to convince the visitor to click it and proceed to the business site to buy the products. No click-throughs means no income for an affiliate marketer. You can actually generate a full-time income by means of affiliate marketing, and you can do it at home, and yes, even while you sleep. You must have a good website to begin with. It must have good promotional and informative contents, pleasing design, inviting banner ads, and all other important elements in an affiliate marketer's website. It would be great if you have exhausted other means of advertising such as newsletters, email marketing, message boards, and ad listings such as Google AdWords. You just have to go online once in a while to check your site and update it, and to watch over the development of your marketing program. Does this sound so easy? It can be this easy if you have planned your affiliate program well and have taken all the steps toward success carefully and diligently. Now, there's a tool you can use to help you go through the program with ease and confidence, the ad tracker. For many experienced and successful affiliate marketers, the ad tracker is a key to a successful affiliate marketing program. What precisely is an ad tracker? It is a marketing tracking software or program that allows you to trace and take note of every click-through made by visitors of your site and by other customers who got your referral link. There are ad tracking service providers as well, so you will just have to pay them to do the tracking for you. With the ad tracker, you can keep an eye on the progress of your marketing campaigns even offline. This tool or program is especially helpful if you are engaged in several affiliate and pay-per-click programs and have placed ads in emails, pop-ups and pop-unders, message boards, autoresponders, e-zines, forums, several websites, surveys and various ad service providers. Of course, you don't want all your efforts to be put to waste, so you want to make sure you are getting paid for your hard work. Likewise, you want to make sure every dollar or cent you disperse in your advertising campaigns is wisely spent. With the help of the ad tracker, you will know accurately how many and which of your links were clicked on, how many clicked on your links, how many of your emails were opened, and how many of those who opened your email clicked through the business site and purchased a product, how many products were purchased, which of your banner ads or links brought the most leads and sales, and many other pertinent facts and figures you need. Sales records and all data stated are necessary in any business, as this could determine if your affiliate program is still worth continuing. This would also help you determine which of your marketing strategies is most effective and which is most beneficial for each product or service you are promoting. Every decision and plan you make must be well grounded on facts. That decision or plan of action may not be the best, but it is something not to regret about when you had valid reasons for coming up with such decision or plan. You cannot just decide to terminate your affiliate program, just because you don't earn big in an instant. If you are serious with affiliate marketing, again and again, keep in mind that your success lies mainly on promotion and your hard work. If you don't seem lucky enough to convince many of your site users to buy the products, don't be disheartened and jump into a conclusion that your affiliate program is a failure. If it works for others, it could work for you, too. Know whether your advertising techniques are effective or not, which works best for your program and which doesn't. Get an ad tracker to help you know all these, and you'd surely be on the right track toward success.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.